In 2020, during the COVID-19 lockdown, I hit a breaking point. I was pregnant, caring for a toddler, running an academy remotely, trying to finish up my first book that was going to be published while managing a team. I was doing all this in the midst of the lockdown. At a point, I became so exhausted. I got anxious. I became emotionally drained. I didn't know who to go to for help or support. And at that time, it hits me. It dawned on me that there are millions of others out there like me who were going through such situations but didn't know where to go to for help or support, and they were dying in silence. Hi, my name is Chizobam Obiajowa, co-founder of Theragist, and that moment, that experience was the seed that bettered Theragist. Theragist is a mental health platform that provides therapy to individuals who are in need of mental health care and support. We connect individuals to licensed therapists and mental health professionals that provide mental health care and support in a safe and judgment-free space. Our platform is built with the African user in mind. It is accessible, affordable, multilingual, and it is suitable for a low bandwidth environment. Since our launch, we've been able to support a huge number of users. We've trained a large number of mental health professionals. We've also begun integrating AI-powered tools into our technology to scale our impact, enhance our technology, personalize the care, and without losing touch of the human connection, the human touch that is so essential to healing on that platform. Theragist is more than an app. It is a movement to democratize mental health care and support, empower communities, and break generational cycles of silence and trauma. With your support, we can expand our reach, enhance our technology, train more culturally relevant therapists and mental health professionals to serve more underserved communities in our continent. Thank you.